Ka District Disaster Management Authority West Khasi Hills. Hakajing yatrilang bat ka 1st Battalion NDRF Guwahati bat SDRF. Klapenlong ya ka program ay jing hikay halor ka chemical, biological, radiological, nuclear hinin kasngi ha upper New Nongstoin town area. Kajing temu jong kani ka drill kalong ban penshay ya ki brio halor ka kamram bat ka jingkit kli ha ka por badan ka jingling shop jong ka bor maryang. Bat ru ban kmi ya ki jingla jong ka District Incident Response Team jong ka West Khasi Hills District banyarap ha ka por badan ka jingling shop jong ka maryang. Deputy Commissioner ka District UPD Sangma ulaong ba kani ka mock drill kat pinbha shu ya ki rukom penkre ladami kinu ki jingran kam ki bakirki bayadai bat ka chemical, biological, radiological, nuclear.
Today, we've just conducted a mock drill on CBRN disaster or CBRN emergencies. The objective of conducting this mock drill today on CBRN disasters is to enhance our preparedness in dealing with any CBRN emergencies. And also the other objective is to develop mutual coordination among various teams and stakeholders, and also response agencies and even the volunteers.
Mentapat ngin pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sunbereng hasilong.